Australia has a strong reputation globally, being known for safety and innovation and reliability. I think really does open those doors and allow for collaboration, partnerships, knowledge exchange and METS solutions being sold globally.
The Australian METS sector has a range of absolute world-leading technology. Australia has a very skilled workforce. They have a way of thinking about how to solve the tough solutions. They really understand a challenge and how to develop a solution around that challenge.
From a global perspective, there are many opportunities for the Australian METS sector. As mining develops, as mining needs to be more sustainable and efficient, and as we see the modernization of mining right across the world, the Australian METS sector will be there.